Let's figure it out.
Pulling it now.
3 in a car, 1 in a truck.
Valuable and adding value for your clients.
So this week it's just Janessa and I, and we have 2 big installs today, 1 tomorrow, oh actually 2 tomorrow. Lots of pack-ups and another install Thursday. We have the Property Styling Network Christmas party on Friday.
It's a hot week.
So we are hot weeks, 37 degrees.
Already hot.
We're gonna die. Up here.
Hope there's aircon in the house.
Yeah, good week.
At the first install, go Russ.
Yeah, all good, man.
All good.
Yeah, good access. Just went straight in. Phoebe was there to help as well, so no dramas, mate.
Now this next one, there's a lot of furniture going. You're gonna fit it all?
Yeah, I'll be alright. We're full truck, but we'll get it all in, do a stop, and then we'll go over to Pabs and get the rest of it. And, yeah, it should fit. Pretty confident.
So this is actually one of the biggest houses we've ever done, Cody. Nice big Carindale home. We've got 5 living spaces. Yeah, 5 living spaces, 6 bedrooms, so it's a pretty big home. It's got quite a grandeur about it, so the styling, it's really important for the styling to fit the home. So it's not renovated, we've replaced the carpets, but there's as much as we've done. So we've worked with the client's own artwork to make sure that's a homely feel. And the styling, you'll notice it's not modern by any means, it suits the home. So it's traditional, elegant, you want to call it?
Phoebe, Wednesday, what have you been up to the last couple of days?
I've been out vet. I've been out doing some styling last couple of days and just got back from consult.
Today's the 4th of December, 2.5 weeks to go till we're off on Christmas. How's the rest of the year looking in terms of how busy are we?
So we are flat out with pack-ups.
Yeah, all coming back from 6 to 8 weeks ago.
Yeah, so they will know
Phoebe.
4 weeks or less. So we're picking one up today that went to market 2.5 weeks ago.
Yeah, right.
And settlement's on the 11th of December. So things are being pushed forward, but yeah, lots of pack-ups. I think I can't remember exactly how many, but next week I feel like we've got 4 a day.
Pack-ups?
Pack-ups a day, yeah.
Right.
So we've got no installs next week, but the week after we've actually got 8 installs happening.
Okay.
That week of the 16th of December.
Yep.
2 of our biggest, so Monday we did our biggest install ever, and then the week of the 16th we've got 2 that are bigger than that. So.
And looking ahead to January, you were just talking to me a bit before, how's January looking for the market as a whole, according to you and what you're hearing, and for us? So
traditionally, December, January normally quiet, and that's what we've found the last 2 years. However, with the market and the way that it's changing, there's a couple of things the government's brought in as a bit of a stimulus for the first home buyers. The first 10,000 basically covering a portion of their deposit if they reach minimum or maximum requirements. Because of that, plus of how the market in Brisbane is travelling, we are almost booked out for our first 2 weeks back. We've got more jobs in our first 2 weeks of January 2020 than we did for January 2019 and 2018 combined, which is crazy.
It's going to be a busy start to the year.
Yeah, so that's more of a factor, I think, for the Brisbane market. And from what I'm hearing from the agents as well, they're projecting that in Brisbane, the market January, the housing market, not so much the unit market, is really going to see a lot of activity.
Yep. And this Friday we've got our Property Styling Network Christmas function.
We do at Factory 51 in Cooper. It's our last one for the year.
Yeah.
Hoping to see lots of stylists there. I think we've got 12 of us going at the moment, so been nice to see more faces. So
yep, and I think this video will come out on Thursday, tomorrow. So if you're still keen, get in touch.
Or actually, I've got a link on the website where you can buy tickets. But
cool.
Let us know so there's enough food for you.
Yeah. And finally, we touched on it last week. We're doing some photos for the online store. So I've been slowly trying to get it up. I was hoping to have it up by now, but it's not. I'm still aiming to get it done before the end of the year. So touching on, I guess, firstly, why are we doing a store?
So because it was always in the back of our mind, and then we get asked all the time from clients, agents, so home sellers, agents, as well as people who are buying the home, where they can buy the pieces we use to replicate what we've done. So obviously we get wholesalers, and it's hard to put them in the direction where they can go and purchase it retail, also at a price that's not so crazy. So we have bought it online, so literally we're stocking what we style with.
Yep.
And the pieces that we love to use.
For us, it's another revenue stream that
absolutely.
we're just trialling at the moment to see how we go, and obviously can scale up. Or
Plus for you, for your digital areas, they're giving you something a little bit different to focus on and
that's right.
learn.
In terms of expectations, what are you expecting from it? Do you know?
Oh,
not this year, because
amazing.
obviously we might be a bit late to the Christmas sales, but
yeah, but that's okay, because if it's going to work, it's going to work at any time of the year. It doesn't necessarily have to mean Christmas, because Christmas is followed by Boxing Day sales, which is then followed by Mother's Day, and then it's like
there's
plenty of things. I would love to see an introduction of all the styling pieces that we're bringing through every season that are about to hit our styling. We're selling them in the store, so I guess we've got the peace of mind though that if I buy something that I like and that clearly no one else does, it can literally go up into our stock.
So the team's out now doing a pack up in this heat.
I've got the worst pack up.
Oh really? I'm glad I'm not going to that. And tomorrow, is there anything on? Much on? Just pack
Yeah, we've got an install in the morning.
Install.
We've got a really awesome property in Barton. It's a partial, and then we have 4 pack ups so that the team
tomorrow.
can have, but they work hard tomorrow, they can have Friday off.
Oh, fair enough.
Yeah.
And what time's the install? Is it
8 a.m.
8 a.m. Alright, well, I won't put this episode together till I get photos of that. So you'll see. We'll end the episode, Foxy TV this week, with the property photos from the Barton install.
Perfect.
Cool. Thank you.